Hey man, I got a tequila bottle chip in my windshield. Can you come take a look at it?
Sure can, yeah.
What up guys? This is the 18 Huracan, 603 horsepower.
This is that guy! This guy!
That was insane. Finally, windshield day is here. It has been almost 8 weeks since the windshield, and nothing worse than buying a new Lamborghini and the windshield being wrecked. The car has been sitting up there like that for almost 2 months. It is covered in dust, it's dirty, but it's okay because it's actually pouring rain outside, so it's gonna be all right. I'm gonna get the car down. We're gonna go to Showtime Glass in Saskatoon. The windshield's sitting there in its crate, and here we go. Don't zoom in and out too much. People don't like
Yeah, you got about 3 feet there and about 4.5 feet in that one. Yeah, you got this, man.
That's feet.
Yeah.
Is this 6 inches? Is that 6 inches?
That's 6 inches. You know how much 6 inches
I know how it
is.
goes. All right.
Steve, what's happening? Why is the back or front wheel spinning?
Well, no, me. 2 months ago when I parked it, I put these on there to make sure it didn't roll back.
Oh, nice. So, Steven, are we doing it?
Yeah, here's my plan. I'm gonna peel the tape off. I'm gonna go inside and be like, yo, I got a stone chip outside. I need someone to fix it.
Let's peel this baby off.
I hope it doesn't leave residue on the windshield. Oh, there's all kinds of residue. Yeah, the inside one's probably the only thing keeping the glass from landing on the dash. That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Hey man, I got a tequila bottle chip in my windshield. Can you come take a look at it?
Sure can, yeah.
Just a quick little chip repair.
Yeah, well, I think it's easy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's probably what, like a 5-minute fix?
Definitely a 5-minute fix or so, yeah.
Yeah, like you guys could just put some epoxy on there, baby.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, do you just chip
want
repair
it-
this? That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it. Just gotta repair that and that's
Do you recommend JB Weld or epoxy?
Definitely JB Weld.
Yeah.
Pete, what are you taking off there? What is that white stuff?
This is the protective coating for the beautiful Lamborghini window made in Luxembourg.
The weed is what $6,000 looks like when it's not in brown paper bills.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and this is how they ship it. You see this? This is the no f around zone right here. This right now exceeds the value of the windshield.
Yeah.
Chase and I are gonna list this on eBay to recoup costs on the windshield.
Pete, hey, do most vehicles come like this?
None of them do, no.
No? How about the big expensive RV?
No, they come in crates, but they don't come wrapped up like this. This is definitely protective coating.
I'm not gonna, I didn't make there last night. You guys pulled that off and it's crap in the floor.
Pete, that's a good looking windshield.
Beautiful. So they told me these wipers, when I called the dealership and talked about using them on my broken windshield, he recommended not doing it because they were a few $100s each.
Oh, okay.
Just
you
for
gotta
the
get
blade.
new windshield wipers now?
No, because I remember I wiped off the glass before we left Calgary.
Oh, yeah.
As best I could. It was kind of scratchy at first and then it cleared up. They feel okay, like running my hand on them, they feel okay.
So far, how's it going?
It's going great.
What is that? The molding? Yeah. Oh, okay.
So we take this off so that when we're cutting, we can see where we're cutting, so we don't actually scratch anything.
Oh, okay.
A lot of people will just leave this on and just go nuts to town. I prefer doing it. There's no primer afterwards, no scratches.
How long have you been doing glass?
23 years.
23 years. That's as long as I've been alive. I'm just kidding. It's not as long as I've been alive.
Hey, Steve.
Yo.
For the people that don't know or haven't watched the YouTube video, why are we getting the Lambo windshield replaced?
Oh, let me tell you, Noid, because some spineless jerk threw a tequila bottle through it when we were staying at the Westin in downtown Calgary. Now I know some of you say, hey Steve, you were parked outside. Yes, it was parked outside. Where valet told me to park, and there was a security guard 10 feet from where it was parked. Just luck of the draw. No, I couldn't park in the parkade because the angle was so steep that we'd use chopped lumber to get in there after.
And because of lumber prices, we couldn't do that.
Yeah, so there you go. Come check this out. Look how much they have to take apart to do this. That's why it's such a big job. They've got all the pillars off, got the overhead console off. Then they had to prep it all and cut all the original stuff off. The rain sensors run all the way down in here. They had to take those out. Take caution when you're doing a windshield, but there's more caution on a Lamborghini, right? Mm-hmm. Because nothing's cheap. Like an interior clip's $200, right? Whereas like a Dodge is like 50 cents.
Yeah, so you gotta be cautious.
Very cautious. And you know what? Everything comes from Italy, not up the road at Dodge.
Yeah.
Lamborghinis are handcrafted. And the pillar cover that goes on that side was actually stuck in the urethane on the corner glass from when they manufactured the car.
Messed it up.
Originally.
Yeah. Steven, it's good to go, hey?
Oh yeah, bud. See, I told you, these are the guys for the job. They got it.
Hey Pete, beginning that's the hardest, or the end putting everything back together? Taking it apart or putting it together?
Definitely taking it apart is the most complicated because you don't want to break anything and figure out exactly what everything is, especially on a part like this because you don't want to wreck anything. God knows how far away the parts would be if we did.
So now you're just putting it back together, all the sensors and everything?
All the sensors are going to go back in, all the wiring's going to be redone, everything's all good to go.
Perfect.
Once we've taken it apart, then we know how it goes back together.
Yeah, that's true. Well, Steve, that's it.
That's it,
Your
bud.
windshield's in, bud.
Your windshield's in.
Look at that, hey? Good to go.
Ready to roll.
Now we can do burnouts and go back to
Well,
Cologne.
this car doesn't do burnouts.
Oh yeah, I forgot
But
about.
you and I have a road trip coming up right away.
Yeah, and you're gonna PPE this car and PPF this car.
PPF? You keep saying PPE.
My bad, my
We're
bad.
not putting steel toe boots on the car.
That's true. You're gonna PPF the car. The windshield's good to go. There's a surprise for people.
There's a PPF you can get for the windshield we're putting on there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, and there's a surprise that you're putting on top that people don't know about.
Yeah.
So that'll be another video. But anyways, share, like, do the normal thing.
All the fun stuff.
And the windshield's done.
That's it.